Hi traders, this is Subhan from 200forexpips.com. So guys, this is going to be a very important video because one of my subscriber was scammed by one of the broker that he was using, and he contacted me on WhatsApp and told me about the whole story, that what happened to him. So basically, when he deposited with a particular broker, the particular broker asked him to deposit more so that they can allow him extra benefits. So guys, this is the the fake type of brokers that are prevailing into the forex market, and you need to be very careful with this. Do not put your funds in any broker without looking at this thing, that this broker is legitimate or not. So how you can come to know about this thing, that the broker that you are using is legitimate and it is going to give you the withdrawals as well. So guys, make sure that the broker that you use, they must be regulated. For example, if I talk about my broker, I am using xness.com. So whenever I deposit with xness.com, I always know that my funds are quite secure with them. They have never cheated me because I am using them from 2015, and they are regulated brokers, and even they they also give you the one of the account manager that deals with you, that also help you with the questions related to forex trading, and you can contact them over call, and you can also contact them over WhatsApp. So basically they contact you in that scenario as well. So guys, make sure that you always use a legitimate broker, because I don't want my subscribers to get scammed from the fake brokers. So be careful. So guys, that's why I'm going to promote xness today again, and I will tell you that the things that are mentioned on the website are quite fantastic, and they are quite legitimate. For example, they are saying instant automated withdrawals, perfect money, Neteller and Skrill. You can use any other payment methods as well. They have different type of payment methods. You can open different type of accounts with them. And one good thing about this, they also have a live chat option into their website as well. So from here you can also join the live chat. They also have the live chat agents that can help you with the forex trading, and you can ask any type of questions with them. Okay guys, now one good thing about this broker is this broker is very good for scalping, because I am using this broker on gold scalping, and it is giving me very good results. It's kind of a really fast time that when I am going to use the indicators and I am using the indicators for scalping, then this broker has the lowest commission to the forex market, and then I instantly my trades instantly come into the profit. So make sure that the guys, you must join this broker. I'm going to put the link of this broker in the description of this video below, and I will also I'm going to make a huge announcement into the next video, and I will tell you that what is the announcement, because I'm going to give the signals with the xness broker, and I will tell you in the next video. So make sure that you also watch the next video that I will post after some time. Okay guys, when we talk about the trading, they have a different type of accounts like standard, professional, and you can contact them as well. So for example, if we click on standard, so let's go and let's see. Okay, so guys, you can see that the minimum deposit is only $1 in that scenario. So you can see the leverage is up to 1:2000, and the spread from 0.3. so you can open a standard account as well. So if you are going to be a professional trader, you can also choose the professional account, and you can see the minimum deposit in case of that is $500, 1.2 leverage, and up to 3.5. and even if you are going with the zero spread, then guys, you can choose this one, and the commission per lot size is 3.5. so overall, if you ask me, then mostly people are using the standard, and sometimes the pro is very good for forex trading as well. But overall, if you even go for the standard account, that's not bad, because even if you compare it with the pro account, that's more than good. But if you can't afford it, then you can go with the standard account that's widely used on xness. So xness is a very good platform to start your forex trading. I recommend everyone that they should contact on their live chat, and you can see from the let's chat here, you can contact to their agent. So make sure that you join this broker, because I am going to give a very huge announcement into the next video, and you will be able to understand that how we are going to, I am going to improve your trading accounts. I am going to double your trading accounts, hopefully with the grace of God, because I will be going to give you signals, and I will tell you about this thing in the next video. So guys, I am putting the link of this broker into the description of this video below. Make sure that you join this broker. This is very good. You will get live chat, you will get instant withdrawals, you will never have the problem with the withdrawals and deposits. Everything is very simple, and the good thing, that's that is that it's regulated and it's a very top broker. Even if you Google the reviews about the Exness, you will find a lot of good reputation about them. So make sure that you join it. I'm going to give the link in the description of this video below, and join this broker and verify yourself into this broker and simply start your trading. But just make sure that before joining this broker, always contact on their live chat, and from which country you are, just let them know and just ask them if they support your country or not. So if they do not support your country, then only you can contact the other brokers. Otherwise, if you personally ask me, I love Exness broker, and that's why I'm going to make a video for this, that you should always work with the legitimate brokers. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button and share this video with everyone and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.